On YouTube, we had a little mishap. The toilet was cheap as hell. I sat on it, broke it, got mad, mistakenly dropped a hammer in it, and it broke. See? So we're replacing the toilet again. Certain stuff here is just of China quality. You know how a lot of us Americans love China. Right in here, I put 100% silicone in here. In here, you see it's on this bracket. So I put some on that bracket, and then I'm about to put some on the back of this bracket here. Here. Now, the reason you're doing all of this is just extra security. For whatever, it's just extra. It's not needed, but trust me, we all had this cheap stuff and it dangles. Like this need to go over a little bit. I'm not perfect, I make mistakes. Good thing these brackets allow for you to just move over a little bit. There you go. Let's see. There you go. See the little adjustment? Tight. I also want to say with the silicone, you want to let it sit about 12 hours before you start using it. I'll probably use mine tonight because it's hot and humid in my area. But more than likely, this video will be shot or be seen by mainly people in the U.S. So, you know how cold it gets, especially where I'm from, Detroit. It's colder than your baby mama's heart there, so. That's the type she gonna get. Okay. I have a problem because the towel isn't 100% against the wall. So it's a small gap that I don't like, but I don't have to live with it because ain't nothing perfect. Oh, that's another thing. With these Allen wrench and this screw, all of this stuff is usually manufactured in a different country than you in, China. And China is known for mass producing stuff. So the only way you can do that is make it out of less quality materials. And I'm not saying all Chinese stuff is like that, but they kind of are known for lower quality than the U.S. or you know, somewhere like that. Even more low quality than some of the other countries. I don't want to get into any politics, but it's a generalization, and we know generalizations aren't true. So you don't want to over tighten these. That's what I'm getting to. You don't want to over tighten these. You want to make sure that you get them snug. And if you put enough silicone on it, you don't have to worry about over tightening it, because the silicone itself are then they're glued in. I'm trying to get some silicone right in there. Bam. It might not look too good, but with it being clear, it'll be less noticeable. And also, let me go grab this glass again. This will be less noticeable. And also, you're really looking for durability when you start. If you buy low-end stuff, sometimes you have to do a little extra to get it. But here, the location I'm in, they don't have too much high quality stuff. They do, but it's damn expensive because of the cost of freight. We're not a country we're not a country next to the ocean. We don't have a seaway, so they have to pay taxes to other countries to get the stuff in. That's snug. Just let it dry. There you go. Complete set. Now, let me install these two and then we'll cut you off. We have this right here. We're using this for our voodoo, or what you will call probably in French, bidet. Bidet. Washing your bidet. Stick that there for that. Toilet tissue. Dry towel or big towel. Smaller hand cloth. Soap dish. Toothbrush holder. Or I might do this, but we gotta see whatever the boss, which is your wife, whatever she say do it. Next, it would be a mirror, sink next. Please like, subscribe, share.